How welcome is anyone who is watching this video today. I will talk a little about a subject that I am unaware of an apology since my Concord does not work on my PC. Say that we begin with what the K-pop investigate. His K-pop, short for Korean popular music in English or Korean popular music in Spanish, is a musical genre that includes various styles such as electronic, dance music, hip hop, rock, or R&B, and which specifically refers to the South Korean popular music because North Korea does not have a popular music industry with Western influence. According to Doctor Timothy Lowry of the School of Communication at the University of Technology in Sydney, since um, the late um, 1990, the success of K-pop artists has attracted unprecedented worldwide attention to music culture of East Asia. The most modern form of the surgical genre with one of the first K-pop groups, Seo Taiji and the Boys, um, which was formed in 1992. His experimentation with different styles of music reformed the Korea music scene. As a result, the integration of foreign musical genres has become a common practice of K-pop artists. Yeah, K-pop entered the Japanese market at the beginning of the 20th century, 20th century, and quickly became a subculture among teenagers and young adults in East and Southeast Asia. With the advent of social media service, the current worldwide spread of K-pop and Korean entertainment, known as the Korean web, is seen in Latin America, India, North Africa, the Middle East, and other parts of the West. Yeah, uh, yeah, that will be the end of what life memories it. Goodbye.